ginagawa.
No.
Today, ang i-cover natin is
Yung babaeng na-rape sa India.
lakas mo, boss.
Yung babaeng na-rape sa India
Yes!
All
So
over.
disgusting.
sa Facebook.
Yes. Sinend ko yun kay Michael Malazarte. Shoutout sa'yo.
Hello.
And yan, kawawa yung babae. So, si para siyang horror story, guys. And she's a 31-year-old doctor in India was raped at her workplace hospital at night while she was taking a nap after 36 hours shift by almost 10 men. Yuck. Her father found her body semi-naked. Her
Her pelvis girdle was broken. Her legs were at 90 degrees in opposite direction.
damn.
Her eyes were bleeding. There were 120 marks of injuries on her body, and the hospital management asked her parents.
Babe, mas malakas boses mo daw niyan dahil
Hello.
dahil open area tayo.
Okay. So, ulit, there were 120 marks of injuries on her body, and the hospital management asked her parents, "Your daughter has committed suicide," and waited them 3 hours before handing them the body. This is so sick and frustrating.
Yes.
According to the comments.
Kolkata siya. Sa Kolkata doctor case. Kapag siya yan, yung top story, marami ngayon nag-arali sa Kolkata dahil dito sa rape na to. And god damn. Hindi lang ito yung rape case sa India. Marami din. May mga vloggers din na parang hinarang ata sila.
Yes.
Tapos, pagkaharang sa kanila, ni-rape yung asawa niya sa harap niya. And I imagine that, guys.
Oh my.
This is disgusting. I don't know.
Super kawawa yung mga babae sa India.
Yeah.
At I think yung interview na yun, 2018. Tapos ang daming mga celebrities, influencers na nagsasabi, super grabe daw yung treatment, maltreatment sa mga babae sa India.
Totoo naman. It's racist eh. There's a billion people in India. And I think hindi lang naman ito yung case of toxic masculinity eh. Actually, you can't really label it as toxic masculinity. Masculinity. Tulad nung sinabi nga ni sino? Robin Padilla.
Sabi niya.
Na dito, paano naman daw siya?
Yung sa rape. Yung sa rape case.
Oh, hindi daw pwedeng ma-rape ang asawa. Ha? Sabi mo, galing trabaho, asawa mo. May mabasa nga mo, parang tambay lang yung lalaki. Tapos, galing sa night shift yung babae. Siya nagluto, siya naglinis. Tapos gusto pa magpakiringking ng lalaki. Tapos nagagalit.
Dahil hindi siya napagbigyan. So, di ba, parang
It's believable eh. Those stories are believable because it happens eh. So, it's a man's world.
It happens a lot. Then yung babae nag-a-adjust din na, sige, dahil may kailangan yung asawa ko, sige lang, kahit pagod na.
Yuck, no? What a disgusting... It's not masculinity. It's neglect, stupidity,
Walang
no compassion, no empathy to humans.
partner.
It's... Wow.
Yes.
It's a man's world. And ang dami ngayon yung mga red pill podcast, mga
Yes.
masculine, maraming asawa, mga ganyan. I don't mind them. I don't mind them. As long as there's no result for
Rape.
woman oppression. And I think yun yung side effect niya, yung woman oppression. Like for example, yung case ni Andrew Tate na idol mo.
Yes. Kasi diba, built man na siya. Parang, kasi sinasabi niya na pag meron kang pera, okay lang na mag-cheat sa wife.
Yeah, pero he still exploits women. He
Mm.
exploits women sa OnlyFans na
Yeah.
for pornography.
Mm.
He exploits vulnerable men to follow his lead, to make money out of them.
Mm.
And I di ba?
Yes. Meron din bad sides.
there are a lot more people who are actually more interesting to learn from,
Mm. Then,
that are more compassionate.
ah,
Di ba?
sa kapwa is,
It's wrong.
mm.
And turning a blind eye just because he says 5 things out of 100 right doesn't make him right.
Mm-mm.
There are a lot more valuable lessons with other people.
Mm. I think yun kasi parang merong narrative na built man, okay lang na ganito, okay lang na paano yun yung mga wife mo pag paglutuin mo, maglaba, pagsilbihan ka. Pero ibibigay ko sa lahat. And then, bigyan mo ako ng sexual intimacy ganyan after work. Parang yan yung nagiging
I understand that. Pero yung babae na mismo yung nagtatrabaho, yun nga yung example ko eh. Babae na mismo nagtatrabaho, siya na yung provide, siya pa yung naglilinis, siya pa yung nagano, tapos kakakiringking ka.
Yes. And I think
Yun na, like for example, sa ating dalawa, parang professional ka eh.
yes.
Hindi ka naman babae na dito for the status eh. I understand men that has that, and I don't mind them as long as not rape. Kasi if she doesn't really want to, pag nandidiri na siya sa'yo, file a divorce, di ba? Parang, manap ka ng babaeng hindi nandidiri sa'yo dahil sa pag-cheat mo. Since marami ka naman pala eh.
Marami ka palang
File divorce.
yes, options.
And yun, what's there? What's there in orgasm? Men, what's there in orgasm? Diba? Kulang na kulang ba kayo? Ang daming porn sites. Doon na lang. Yung sa mga pakama ka, wala kang compassion. 90 degrees, babe. Nagkita sa Kolkata doctor rape case. 10 kayo, hindi ka ba nandidiri? Nakagalit.
Yes. Alam mo ba yung, meron ding case na actually yun sa Philippines, si Mayor Sanchez. Merong case na sa Philippines, si Mayor Sanchez. I think yun yung name niya. Tapos, trip na trip niya talaga yung student. And then, ang ginawa niya is, kinidnap niya yung estudyante kasama yung, alam kong manliligaw ng student na yun. And then, nirape niya muna. Tapos, pinarape niya sa mga
Kasama niya?
sa mga tauhan niya. Tapos, ayun, meron din, ganun din yung scene nandun sa loob ng babae. Parang, aabot na sa isang delata yung semen na nasa loob ng babae. Oh. Tapos parang, grabe yun kasi hindi niya inaamin. Hindi niya inaamin na ganito. Pero merong evidence. It's actually really worse yung time na yun.
Snip.
Pero, ayun, namatay din si Mayor Sanchez sa kulungan. Tapos napagbintangan din siya na meron siyang tinatagong drugs. Tapos nilalagay niya dun sa likod ng Santo Niño. Ng kulungan niya. I think it's really interesting yung case.
What's there, no? Wow. What happened?
Attracted daw talaga siya dun sa babae. Pero ayaw sa kanya ng babae. Yung ego niya, parang yung ego niya.
Hire prostitute.
Yeah.
Kung talo, bigyan mo 20 mil. Hanap pa siya ng maganda. Taihan mo pa sa chest.
Yun nga.
Diba?
I think yun din, parang virgins and all. Yun na ano niya eh. Virgin, maganda, matalino yung student. And, yun lang.
Virgin.
Oo. Parang yun yung naging issue sa kanya. Eh ano siya nun? Mayor eh. Diba? Tigasin. Malakas siya dun sa place. Sa lugar niya. Eh gusto niya makuha yung babae.
Parang, eto na yung sinasabi nga na Stanford Prison Experiment. Alam mo ba yun? Na binigyan nila ng yung mga prison guards.
Na,
Parang play lang siya, experiment siya. Na binigyan nila ng power and they abuse it. That any person that has absolute power abuses it. I think that's why na especially if it's a power na you didn't earn out of merit. There's a large chance na yun, magkaroon ka ng abuse. And maybe that's the ego. That's the devil eh. The ego and the ego of that you are in because of the corruption, that you feel like you can do anything, that you're forgetting that there's you're forgetting your principles and compassionate side. But I don't think there's compassionate side to them. Those 10 men who raped yung Kolkata rape case,
Ano
rape murder
kayang
case.
kwento niya? Baka meron siyang ginawa na something. Tapos
Babe,
ginawa niya.
Regardless, 36 hours case ka. I think there's none. Ang story daw noon, nakabukas daw yung ano niya, shorts niya. Yun daw. Tapos na, let's go na available. Alam mo, sometimes, I don't wanna be racist, pero the amount of dirt that there is in India, scam centers pagdating sa mga matatanda, isipin mo, nanakawan na yung matanda, yung pollution, yung may ko sa kilikili.
Yung food, katiri, gaganon yung kamay.
Can we burn? It's a wrong perspective kasi there's a billion. I think those protesters, those are the real people that men, you should rise up. And the nation is rising up.
Bakit hinayaan ng mga men na mangyari yun? Kasi hindi lang about sa kanya eh.
Sorry, kasi
Ay, sorry. Hindi lang kasi yun, talagang issue na siya dati na yung mga babae is maltrato. And pag hindi ka nagkakaroon ng anak, itatapon ka. Tapos yung ibang mga babae, kasi may mga documentary na gano'n, na nababalo yung babae, tapos nilalagay sila sa mental institution. Mental institution. Tapos doon talaga, lalo silang nababaliw, lalo yung naalala, binubugbog daw sila ng asawa nila, battered wife.
I don't know, no.
Yun.
I think, I don't know, sa sociology, maybe it's responsibility of power that's not taught. I don't know, baby. I really don't know.
Lalo na nung pandemic.
I'm sorry, sa podcast na to, wala kayong natutunan. Nakaalam na kayo kung ano nangyari.
I-search nyo na lang kung tama yung mga references. Pero yun yung oops. Pero yun yung ano namin. Nakita ko din before sa mga documentary. And lalo na nung pandemic, mas worse yung ginagawa sa India. Alam mo ba yun? Yung sinusunog yung ano nila. Yung sinusunog yung katawan. Tapos yung iba dun is nilalagay na sa mismong dagat or river. And then dun sila naliligo. Kasi sobrang hirap.
This is a
nga,
real
wala
story,
na
no?
wala silang makain. Lahat.
Madi sa Africa eh. Ano ba na tinutuli din ng babae? Ginugupit yung labia. Walang anesthesia, biga. Ganon ka-oppress babae sa buong mundo.
And uso din kasi.
Tapos parang ano, may counter red pill podcast pa na sinasabi na, ganito, babae, madaling maging babae. Yeah, maybe sa first world, yeah. Sa Pilipinas, medyo mas madali pa nga, nagiging presidente pa nga eh.
Yes.
Pero yung
Naging leader pa nga eh.
Pakistan, Bangladesh, come on, kinikidnap sila eh.
Yes. Totoo.
Yung mahirap eh, self-centered yung mga tao na sa feminism. Oh, let's go fight now. Ano, dito sa first world.
Totoo.
Pero they don't wanna end slavery. Di ba parang ang laki ng ginagastos nila sa military. They don't wanna end slavery. That's the most valuable thing that they could do. They'll be the heroes of the world. And you can use that, hindi yung 9/11. Pero di ba parang, ano eh, what's the government doing for the goodness of the world? No, they're just selfish assholes na they're thinking about themselves. Oh, naghihirap na kami. Oh my God, $10 per hour na lang kami. Come on, parang magkano budget yung for military? Then use it. Then using it sa gas. Tingnan mo yung naging ano sa Iraq. They'll give you free gas kung sakaling kayo mag-end ng slavery and rape.
Yes.
Di ba ganun? Di ba ganun yung ano, trade-off? Parang imposible, parang if you were look at ano, Martin Luther King. What he did for black people. He was revered. And may mga kasalanan siya, may mga womanizing ano siya na nilalabas ng FBI. Pero still he's still revered. So US was what are you gonna do? Diba? Mga first world. Why are you stuck in your ways na self-centered gasoline yung pag-blow up niya ng pipeline sa dito sa power plant sa may Natanz. Oh,